Today we will talk about Indian Institute of Technology, no, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. India is one of the most premier research institutions. Hello everyone, my name is Akhil Tripathi. I'm a NISER alumnus and in this video we will talk all about IISER and why you should consider yourself lucky enough to check out this video. We have 7 IISERs in our country. The first 2 IISERs were established in year 2006 in Pune, Kolkata, and then in Mohali, Bhopal, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirupati, and in 2016 we have got our IISER Berhampur that is located near the beautiful beaches. Some of these IISERs are located in the urban areas and some have the rural campuses. But one thing is very common, all these campuses are beautiful and vibrant. You will get great infrastructure, world-class facilities, world-class faculties, cultural, sports and overall holistic development and a vibrant college life in these campuses. In this video, I will tell you an interesting story which even IISER students are not aware about. So watch this video till the end. Now we will go to the curriculum and the courses what IISER offer. So IISER offer 3 kind of courses. First is their 5-year BS MS dual degree programs, their BS programs and BTech programs that have been launched this year by IISER Bhopal. So the courses we have 4-year BTech in IISER Bhopal, 4-year BS in Economic Sciences in IISER Bhopal and 5-year BS MS program that is in all 7 IISERs. And we have the recently BS in Economic and Statistical Sciences by IISER Tirupati. So these IISERs are made of world-class infrastructure and facilities. So the purpose of IISER were to establish a similar kind of institution like ISC Bangalore. Your parents might be telling you why to go for a BSc MSc from a so far college that is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Pune and across the country when we have our local colleges, our Saraswati Institute located in our locality which offers you the same BSc MSc degree. So the difference is just like doing a normal BTech from a tier 3-4 college and doing a BTech from IIT. So the level of education, the kind of faculties, the facilities that you will get in these institutions is as par with ISC Bangalore and the renowned world institutions. You have interdisciplinary courses here. You have faculties that have studied in Stanford, MIT, Harvard that are visiting scientists in NASA, ISRO and the topmost institutions of the world. So how many seats each of IISERs offer you? Let us see. IISER Berhampur have 300 seats, IISER Bhopal also have 300 seats, Kolkata 280, Mohali 270, Pune 288, Tirupati 350 and Thiruvananthapuram 320 for their BS MS flagship 5-year program. And one interesting thing is that as per the National Education Policy 2020, now you have the exit option after 4 years of BS program. So if you are not interested in completing the BS MS degree, you can also opt out with your BS degree if you go with this program. Now next comes the BTech program. In IISER Bhopal we have 140 seats. In IISER Bhopal BS in Economic Sciences we have 35 seats. And the newly launched IISER Tirupati BS in Economic and Statistical Sciences we have 50 seats. So for the first time ever, IISERs are intaking 2,333 students. So this is the highest number of seats IISERs have ever offered. So 2025 people can find themselves lucky to get into IISER this year, and IISER have made some shocking changes in their eligibility criteria. So IISER take their admission 100% from only one channel, that is their own channel of IISER aptitude test. Previously they were also taking from KVPI and JEE Advanced, but after 2023 they have stopped taking any student from all these channels apart from IAT channel. So the shocking changes in the eligibility criteria is that now anyone who have been born after 1st of October 2000 are eligible for IISER admission. People who are in their 20s, who are even of 24 years if they belong to general EWS category, they can be eligible for IISER aptitude test. And for SC, ST and PWD candidates, it is even 5-year more relaxation. So all the first year, second year droppers, all the JEE people who are taking their second drop, all the NEET people who are taking their second, third, fourth or any drop, they are eligible for IISER aptitude test. And for appearing for this examination, you need to have only 3 subjects, either combination of physics, chemistry, math, physics or physics, chemistry, biology. But if you are having physics, chemistry, math and biology, all 4 subjects, you get an added advantage because the cutoffs as the eligibility have been released, the competition for IISERs are also going to increase. So all the students who attend their 4 subjects, IISERs do not take best of 3. They consider the total of all 4 subjects, so they get an added advantage. Now we will come to the important dates of IISER aptitude test. So your application portal will open on 5th of March 2025 and it will close on 15th of April 2025. So anyone who is interested to appear for IISER, they can register during this duration, and your examination is on 25th of May 2025. And the good thing is that you will be done with your JEE second attempt by April, and NEET folks will be done with their NEET attempt by 4th of May. If you are a JEE or NEET aspirant, you will be wondering what is the difficulty level of this IISER aptitude test. So you can check out a free mock test from our Sayastra app and see where are you standing in the Pan India level. So now I will come to the interesting story I was talking about in the beginning of this video. Recently I was invited to a conference in Kerala that was hosted by the first batch of BARC scientists. I was the youngest speaker there and I got the opportunity to interact with one of the fellow speakers in the conference, who is a Padma Shri and Professor Emeritus at IST Bangalore. He told that when Manmohan Singh's government established the IISERs, initially they thought of naming them as ISC Pune and ISC Kolkata, but ISC people were not in favor of it, and later they named it as IISER Pune and Kolkata instead. So now let's get back to the IISER preparation. So if you have attempted that free mock test and you are scoring less than 160 marks out of 240 in that examination, do you know that you have very less chances of getting top IISERs like IISER Pune? So the cutoff for IISERs for IISER Berhampur in general category range from 110 to 120 marks, and for IISER Pune it goes about 160 marks, and as the competition is increasing it can even go beyond that. So how you have to prepare for this examination? Sayastra is the India's best platform for preparing for IISER aptitude test and all research entrance examinations. Over the 4 years, we have 1000 plus students studying from IISERs. Even the last year batch, 25% of their students belong to our courses. We have even produced All India Rank 1. So we have our best ever courses in classes in English and only in English. In Kalam batch, we offer the complete preparation for IIT NEST examination. We give them the live classes, recordings, mock tests made by the alumni mentors of IISER, NISER, and for the year-long course, we offer the complete package of IIT preparation. The Kalam batch, we offer our best ever crash course worth rupees 4 to 5,000 rupees free of cost. So you can consider our Kalam batch if you want your classes in English, and our Vikram 2.0 batch if you want your classes to be in English. And if you want only mock tests for your practice, we have our All India mock test series and IIT mock test book, which you can order from our Sayastra app, and you can get started with your IISER preparation. If you have any further query about IISER or IIT examination, you can also register for our free career counseling session by the mentors of IISER and NISER. You can also message us anytime in our Sayastra app for free. You can get your all doubts clear. We wish you to see in your dream institution. All the best. Jai Hind.